welcome back and welcome to our fourth and final session of the day. I'm here again with Senad. Hello, Senad.
Hi, Peter.
So, what are we going to talk about this time?
Now we're going to talk about cable cleats.
Cable cleats.
Yes.
Interesting.
Cable cleats are also one of the latest bandwidth innovative solutions.
Mm-hmm.
So why do we need cable cleats?
So, cable cleats, when installed correctly, ensure cables remain contained in the event of a short-circuit fault, minimizing the damage to personnel and property. Okay. So, I would suggest we show some samples live, because I think we have them somewhere here, right?
Okay.
Yeah.
I will help you.
So, cable cleats look like this. Very, very, let's say, quality.
They are very strong.
Very strong, yes, thank you. We also have prepared two videos for you in event of a short circuit fault with improper and proper installation. First, we will show you the short circuit fault with improper or no cable cleats at all. So, Tim, can we play the first video, please? This is the video on your left. So, as you can see, the damage can be quite bad. The cable cleats were not installed correctly. As you can see, they fly all over the place, which is not very safe. Would you say so?
Yes, yeah. I agree with you.
So, what can we do? I mean, how does it look like when we have properly installed cable cleats?
Okay, but before that, yeah. How can we specify the right cable cleats?
Excellent question. So, for specifying the right cable cleat, you need to know the outside diameter of the cable. So this is trefoil. So we will touch this later a bit more, and peak short circuit fault level in kiloamperes. Because if you use polymer and the short circuit is too strong, it can blow them away. Better to use this one. Tim, can we play the video of properly installed? So you can see a lot of things are going on there, but cables are staying put. And this is properly installed. This is properly installed cable cleat solution, which can, at the end, also save lives.
Okay, in the previous session with Aleš, you talked about very safe.
Yeah.
I think it has to be called very strong.
Yes, yes. we have to let them know in bandwidth. Cable cleat can be called very strong. Okay. Excellent, thank you.
Okay. Senad. And the next product bandwidth recently launched is EdgeClip.
EdgeClip, yes. But I think we have a question first from our audience.
Yeah, okay. we have a question about the cable cleats, because our installers actually are not experts, and someone asked why we need so heavy stuff for local area networks or for LAN cables, or are these different cables?
Good question. Yes, these cables are different. This is not LAN cable. This is a power cable for let's say harsh environment and also for energetics. Yeah, we have few different types of cable cleats. So aluminium, stainless steel, polymer, also different layouts. So for trefoil for 3 cables, it's for 2 cables and for 1 cable as well.
Okay.
So a lot of different designs, a lot of different materials, each for their specific application. Okay. I see we have another question in the audience.
Yeah, another question came. Can we show these 2 short videos once more, just to understand?
I believe we can. Tim, can we go through the videos again? Yeah. So video on the left is improperly installed cable cleat, and video on the right is properly installed cable cleat. As you can see, the difference is obvious. Excellent. Good. Yeah. So this can be very dangerous if installed improperly and people are nearby. Wouldn't you say so?
I agree with you, Peter.
Thank you, Senad. So yes, we have our next also very interesting product launched from Panduit, especially made for ICMRO, but also for original equipment manufacturers,
Yes.
right?
Yes.
Yeah.
We can show them.
We can show them.
Okay.
I think it's better this way,
Yes.
right?
Okay. I will help you.
So this product here is called an EdgeClip. It can come in two-piece design where cable tie is already inserted in the EdgeClip, or in one piece where EdgeClip is sold separately. This is used in harsh environments where a lot of vibrations are present. For example, automotive, trains, trucks, stuff like that. And
What about solar?
solar especially, yes, thank you, Senad. Solar is one of the main, let's say, markets for this EdgeClip. It can be mounted fairly easily. As you can see, you just need to find an edge of the right thickness, pull the cable cleat on, insert the cables, the bundle, clip them, and it can be then mounted.
It's reliable.
I think forever.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
Unless used otherwise.
Okay.
Good.
And we have in different sizes, yeah?
So yes, so different sizes. I think it's from 0.7 millimeters thick surface up to 3 millimeters.
Okay.
So I think we can show to our team if they can focus. This one is the small one. This one is the big one, and also this is what we almost forgot to mention. They can be mounted in different directions. So
Okay.
as you can see, this one can be mounted from the side or from the bottom, as you prefer, or top, and this one can be mounted on the side.
Okay.
Also, one important thing to know: you can also order them wider and mounted from side to side, not just up down.
Okay. Great.
Excellent. Good product. Thank you, Senad.
Thank you, Peter. Thank you very much for presentations of all industrial electrical equipment and components. At the end, what is your favorite Panduit system for industrial electrical infrastructure?
Tough question, Senad. Tough question, but I have to say it's an easy answer. It's PAT system from Panduit.
Okay.
It's Panduit's automatic cable tie installation tool for wire harness manufacturers.
Okay, Peter, you demonstrate all. I think it would be fair to demonstrate also the PAT system, how it works.
I think it would be best. So
Okay, I will invite our colleague Aleš to help you with presentation.
thank you, Senad.
Peter.
Thank you.
Hi again.
Hello again, Aleš. So this is not a PAT system. This is, how do we call it?
Wire harness.
It's a wire harness board. Yeah, it's called Quick Build. It's modular. It's easy to install. It's easy to move the wire harness from one point to another. It has a lot of different accessories, but this is not why we're here, right?
You know, but it is very interesting. It reminds me when I was a child to Lego.
Yeah,
You know,
it
this
looks like a Lego.
Really easily you put and then
Yeah,
nice.
and then what we do with the harness when it's installed like this, we apply the cable tie. And now let's introduce
This one.
our Aleš.
Shall we put it here?
No, we can leave it here. But
Okay.
first, let me just point out this is a pneumatic tool and it needs compressed air. So we will just pump some air in the system. I like this sound. It sounds very industrial. I think it's enough. 5 more seconds. So five more seconds. Now let's first walk through the system, shall we?
Yeah, so maybe you explain a little bit what
So
is this?
This, let's start from the top and then move to the bottom where the magic happens. So this is our cable ties on a reel made specifically for this PAD system. A nice bright touch display can allow you to move through settings and other different settings easy. Dispenser for tool head.
Yeah, and
Tool
I
head.
see here is this.
Yeah. So, and then we have the hose which
Yeah.
transfers the cable tie, which is pushed by compressed air, to the tool head, and then it wraps it around and cuts it off.
I see that this hose is quite long.
It's very long. It's 3 meter long.
Oh, so you can make some work
Yeah.
with.
So for very big stations, for very big installations, it can come in handy. But you can also get this in shorter versions. And let's try to demonstrate. Yeah, let's try it.
So how fast does it work?
It's very fast. So it can dispense up to 89 cable ties per minute. So this is very fast, as you can see. It also cuts off the cable
How
ties.
many times faster than, let's say, worker with let's say a tool, ordinary tool, pistol?
I would say at least 15 times faster, because the worker needs to wrap the tie around the harness and so apply pressure and then cut it off.
Let's try
With
again.
this, everything is done in one cycle.
It's really nice and easy.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. Some
Yeah.
we need to
Pressure.
just
Huh?
no pressure. Yeah,
Yeah.
Here we go.
So
it also recognizes some fault that can happen, as you see here. So Aleš did like this. You just put it out, and it says remove tie from tool jaw. You just ignore it because we already removed it,
very,
and then you can.
and so in this dispenser, so for the
Yeah,
the rest of the
you can say is eco-friendly.
yeah, I see.
And I see we have question from the audience.
Yeah, we have a question. First, is this tool just for one type of cable ties?
Excellent question, thank you, Egan. So this tool is made for actually 4 different types of cable ties. This is the smallest, PLT1M. It's 10 centimeters long. The other length is 14 centimeters. It's a bit longer. You need to also replace the tool head. It's mounted fairly easily. Put the tool head with bigger jaws on, and then just replace the cable
So
ties.
the pressure, so the cable tie comes from the, let's say, from the device through this hose,
Yes,
going here,
through this
Out.
small hole.
yeah,
And
going into this one.
yeah,
Can you see? And then
it goes from the jaw, wraps around the cable harness, and when it recognizes the correct pressure, it automatically cuts off the cable tie, and the access is put here. so you don't have to pick up the cable ties later from the floor.
But, one question, because this is
Yes.
very fast and effective for what kind of industry it is
So
suitable?
it's suitable mainly for wire harness manufacturers. For different types, so it can be automotive, it can be white goods. I see we have
another question.
Yes.
Can we do we provide also let's say a special accessory so we can?
Of course. Good question.
Oh, you know
Very good
already
question.
the question.
sorry, finish your question. Yes, we have Panduit just recently launched new product. It's called flush mount bench mount. So I will put it like here. Actually, it's installed. You put the tool head, you put it right here, and put it on the table like this. It's heavy. It doesn't have the right support. So actually, what it does, it allows the worker to be more efficient with simpler harnesses, so to say, like this one here. So they don't have to do it like this. They just put the harness to the tool, and then the tool makes, let's say, their job like this. And they push it like this, and then also the signal is sent automatically to the system to dispense the cable tie. Good.
Peter, one thing I see also when I touch this, I don't feel any, let's say, rough edge.
Yes.
It's quite nice. Then
Yes.
most probably to, let's say, when you work, then
When you install,
yeah.
yes.
Yeah.
Excellent observation, Aleš. So this Panduit's PAT system cuts the cable tie flush, so there is no excess looking out of the cable tie head, and eliminates the risk of getting scratched with the cable tie.
Good, nice.
Yeah, I see we have a question.
Yeah, another question. Can we adjust a tension?
Yes, we can adjust the tension already here on the tool head. We don't damage the isolation of the cables, or we can also adjust the internal pressure right here in the tool itself. I see we have another question.
Yeah, another question. How many cable ties are packed on the reel?
So on this reel is 5,000 cable ties per one reel. So it's really for let's say mass production. And one other thing is you need to be careful about the cable ties. When you finish working, you need to put the cable ties back into the zip bag that comes with the cable ties, so they don't dry out. Okay, I see now we're out of additional questions. This was it from our presentations. Thank you, Aleš. You've been
welcome,
very
Peter.
helpful. And
Yeah, nice.
And this concludes our tour of industrial electrical infrastructure part of the customer briefing center in Ljubljana. And from all of us, I think, Egon, any last
What
words?
to say at the end? Just you are all welcome to visit our new briefing center in Ljubljana. You saw we have a lot of technology here, the latest product solutions, a lot of things we couldn't present today because we had just 18 minutes. Yeah, so you are all welcome. Thank you very much. Thank you very much to Panduit providing all this equipment to Ljubljana. And thank you to Una and your team. Thank you very much and hope to see you soon.